Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Jan, a member of FTC Team 22012, Loose Screws, and today I'm here to present to you all Outreach Basics for FTC Robotics, a guide for impacting your community. So what is Outreach in FTC Robotics? Outreach in FTC Robotics is all about spreading the excitement and knowledge of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, through robotics. It's more than just building robots. It's about sharing your passion and inspiring others to join the journey. Outreach helps raise awareness of the FTC program and shows others how they can get involved, whether it's as a team member, volunteer, or supporter. So, why does outreach matter? First off, it helps increase the visibility of FTC and all the amazing things that we do. When we engage with the community, we're attracting new talent and building connections that help our teams grow. Outreach also encourages diversity, making sure more voices are heard in the world of robotics. And finally, it inspires the next generation of engineers, programmers, and innovators, something that benefits not just our teams, but the entire field of STEM. So now, let's talk about some of the most effective outreach activities that some teams can participate in. Here are a few ideas. School visits. Head to local schools, give presentations, and show off your robot. It's a great way to spark interest in robotics. STEM fairs. Participate or host STEM fairs to showcase your robot and engage with students, teachers, and parents. Our team has been specifically involved with STEM fairs such as Maker Fair, which gave our robot mass exposure and allowed for us to network within our community. Workshops. Organize hands-on workshops where you can teach others about building robots or programming. Community events. Take part in local events, fairs, or festivals to get the word out about FTC. Social media and digital presence. Use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube to share your team's story and inspire others online. Key steps for effective outreach. Successful outreach doesn't just happen. It takes planning. Here are a few simple steps to ensure your outreach efforts make an impact. Identify your audience. Think about who you want to reach. Are you targeting parents, students, or local organizations? Plan the activity. Decide what you'll showcase. Will you have a live demo, a presentation, or a robot building activity? Promote the event. Get the word out through flyers, social media, and word of mouth. Engage your audience. Make it fun and interactive. Let people get hands-on with the robot or give them opportunities to ask questions. Follow up. After the event, stay in touch with participants and encourage them to join the team or attend another event. Engaging your audience. When you're engaging with your audience, the key is to make it interactive. People remember experiences more than they remember facts. Let your audience drive the robot, ask questions, or even build simple robot parts. Share your team's journey and the challenges you've overcome. That personal connection makes a huge difference. Also use visuals like videos, photos, or live demos to make the technical aspects easier to understand. Communicating effectively during outreach. One of the most important aspects of outreach is communication. To keep people interested, you need to explain things clearly and keep it simple. Avoid jargon and make sure you're speaking in a way that everyone can understand. Be enthusiastic. Your excitement is contagious. Also, make sure to listen. If someone has a question or shows interest in a certain aspect of robotics, take the time to answer and engage them. Using social media for outreach. Social media is an amazing tool for outreach, especially for reaching a larger audience. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your team's progress, videos of your robot in action, or even tips and tricks you learned along the way. Make sure to use relevant hashtags like #FTC, #FirstRobotics, or #STEM to connect with others in the community. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and sharing updates regularly. It's a great way to keep the conversation going. Measuring the impact of your outreach. After an outreach event, It's important to measure how successful it was so you can improve it next time. Ask for feedback from your audience to learn what worked and what didn't. Track attendance and participation. Did you reach the target audience? Also, keep an eye out on whether your efforts resulted in new team members or more people getting involved in robotics. The more data you have, the better you can refine your outreach efforts. Best sustainable practices for outreach. Best practices for sustainable outreach. Outreach shouldn't be a one-time thing. For it to be truly effective, it needs to be ongoing. Build lasting relationships with local schools, organizations, and other teams. Collaborate with other FTC teams to create bigger, more impactful events. Stay consistent with your outreach activities and try new things to keep your events fresh and exciting. And most importantly, keep improving based on feedback. Every event is a chance to learn and grow. Conclusion. In conclusion, outreach is one of the most powerful ways to expand the FTC community and inspire future STEM leaders. By sharing your passion for robotics, you're not just building robots, you're building the next generation of engineers, programmers, and innovators. Keep engaging with your community, stay creative, and most of all, keep inspiring others. Your outreach efforts today will shape the future of robotics tomorrow. Thank you for listening.